lads, after my breakfast. When you're not feeling 100%, you know what I mean? A bit of chocolate. Nice. But
Santa's been.
What have I got here? Oh, nice. Nice. I don't know what model it is, but I hope it attaches to my saw. Oh, I love new toys. There's the button for that. All we'll have to do is get it. Have a look at the blade. We'll have to get it going and see what it's like. Yeah, how long this will last. What's them bits? They're most probably bits you'd never ever use in your life. You think our stands will go on that? Don't know. Let's get cracking. Then now I've got my new saw set up. Yeah, like this. Wonder what 1 and 2 is. Oh, it's the lighting system, that. Yeah, man. Right. So you cut off. That's the bottom. Oh yeah. Screw that onto the bottom like that, so it's either side of it, yeah. And then what we're going to do is we're going to screw this one onto the back of it like that. And then that's his template. It's very simple. So I mean, it's not rocket science. And then we're going to put some holes in it, and then I'll show you. And then all there is to do is test it. What you do is put a screw through it there, and you put a screw through it there. And once you put that screw through there, and that screw through there, and then you screw it up, and then you know you've got a beautiful jig. Now I haven't seen the jig on market, which is easier and simpler than that. Do you know what I mean? And that is made to 0.0000 of a mils. Yeah. So now that jig is universal. It'll go left or right. And all we have to do is, let me show you. Don't forget, you can buy these pencils in my TikTok shop. They are cheap as chips. So all you ladies, your boyfriend, your husband will want one of these for Christmas. It's got its own sharpener. Just screw the lid off, turn it upside down. You got your little sharpener in it. Puts a nice, neat, tight hole on it. You can buy the leg from my TikTok shop. You can buy the pencil from my TikTok shop, and it is cheap as chips. Beautiful. Bottom left hand corner. Now then. Now we're going. Why can't they just use posi screwdrivers? I just do not know. Do you know what I mean? Anybody else know? Yes, Michael, I know. I know why. So that'd be too simple. Too simple. That'd be too simple. Only one screw in for now. Know why we're only put one screw in for now? Could be wrong. Simple. But chances are of it being wrong. You know what I mean, Che? Chances of it being wrong, very slim. You know why it's very slim? Because the master is doing it. Do you know what I mean? Oh, nice. Oh, nice. Oh, nice. Just nice. Right, then what we have to do now is open the door. And then see these stupid things here. Got funny about with this. Get this through the side of the dishwasher here. This is the worst design I've ever seen for the dishwasher.
That's because you haven't designed it.
That is true, Matt. That is true. That is true. So see this? This is alright now because I can get in, but if this dishwasher were there, you can't get in it and it's a nightmare. Do you know what I mean? You have to pull the dishwasher out and then you have to push it back in. Bish bash bosh. Whoever designed it won't slap it. I'd slap him. Come on. And the more you move it up, the deeper it gets. What? I tell you that, this is the most stupidest thing I've ever seen. See, because the dishwasher moves up and down. That's clearly not right, I'll just calm myself. Calm myself. See, just want a little bit of tweaking. Right, I've been to. I would give up. I would. Why is that? No, just pause it a minute.